Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel. Today we are going to try crush this adamantium ball. And it is by far the hardest bearing ball type of thing that we have crushed. And you have to know some really strange people to get hold of one of these. So I'm very excited about this one. But I think I'm going to just place it here and let's see. And here we go. What the fuck? It's not doing anything. We have 150 bars and we didn't do shit. So let's crank the machine up and use 300 bars. And I think it didn't explode, so let's rise the tool up and have a look. Holy fucking shit, what happened there? So the ball is deep inside of my hardened tool and I spent the whole day making of this, so thanks very much. And I think it's stuck there. And now you're gonna take it out. And I haven't seen anything go into the hardened steel like this, so it's really tough. And I think I have to make new tool for the next one.